Hey, welcome to Zootools. This is Jorge, CEO and founder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first email campaign and send it in less than 5 minutes. And by the end, you will have all your Zootools account properly set up. You ready? Let's go. First, let's create a couple of contacts so we can test our campaign against real people. In this case, I'm just adding myself, so do the same with you. On the right side, you will see that we can include pictures and change all this information from every single contact. And we are adding more third-party integrations such as Stripe, Shopify, and many more, so you will have this information right away. Now, go to settings, click domains, and let's create our custom domain to send marketing emails. Long story short, when you send with your own email, it's more brandable, more professional, and you own your own email reputation. We always recommend to use a subdomain for every single marketing email. Click on create, and here you can add yourself. In this case, I'm going to add Jorge, and if you have more team members, you can add them. Click on continue and follow the instructions. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out at support@zootools.ai. Awesome. Now let's actually go to the campaigns tab, and I'm going to create a new campaign. You will see that the email editor on Zootools, it's very simple to use, very similar to a Google Docs, Superhuman, or a Notion if you are familiar with those tools. There are two shortcuts that are extremely useful. One is the Alt. This is basically for adding custom variables of your customers, such as the first name, last name, etc. And if you type _, you will see all the different widgets and blocks that you can insert to the email, such as an image, that I can reposition and add some border radius. I can add a heading title. Hey there, how are you doing? This is Jorge. So far and so on. So you can continuously doing this and change the color. So I can just select that color, and here I'm going to maybe use this one for the background, and then I'm going to do underscore and bold. You can also do that with shortcuts in your keywords. So I can type Command B if you are on Mac, or Control C if you are on Windows, Control B, and you can do all of this stuff. And then I can, of course, add, hey, first name, so far and so on. Click on preview to see how the email is going to look like. And once you're good to go, click on review and send. And this is where the magic happens. Here, select the actual custom domain that we just set up. The reply to is typically either your support email or your personal email. This is where all the emails replies are going to be sending to. And then you have different options. The preview text is actually such a life hack. This is basically the notification text that appears on every single email. So you can say something cool or something to grab their attention. So I can put an emoji. And then we are good to go. I'm sending the campaign right now. Once the campaign is sent, here is the view to see all the real-time analytics, and we have very exclusive and unique features that you will not find anywhere else, such as the link fixer. If you made a mistake on any links that you added to the email, you can actually change them right away. So for example, I can do, instead of that, I can say, hey, I want to point this out to Google.is. And that link is updated in real time on every single email, even after you send them. We also create an online page for your email in case you want to share that online or you want to send that to a specific people. You just click on view, copy this URL, and you're good to go. There are more advanced features that I recommend you to take a look, such as the automations. So this is great if you want to set up like welcome campaigns, onboarding activation, payments, etc. Forms and integrations, which is a really awesome way to make the most out of Zootools with webhooks, importing contacts, using our API, or using integrations with MailChimp. If you have any questions, please always go to this help bubble so you can select what kind of request do you need, but also feel free to reach out to us at support@zootools.ai, and you can also go to zootools.ai/support to get more information and get more help. I'm so excited to see which kind of emails are you going to send. See you very soon here on Zootools, the easiest to use email marketing tool with referrals and automations. Ciao!